y'all, welcome to Faith with Annie. In this video, I'm going to be scripture journaling Ruth 2. I hope that you guys enjoy.
I started out by decorating the page using the napkin type technique, except this is tissue paper that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I just placed some at the top and then some squares down at the bottom. Next, of course, I add stickers because I love my stickers, and I put the title at the top. It's going through the tissue paper. I did put some lined paper underneath this so that I can see the lines through the paper. It helps me keep the text straight because, of course, when you're doing this and your paper doesn't have lines on it, it can get a little bit crooked. So I did this to keep it as straight as possible. I am using the same technique with the tissue paper and going with the same theme as I did on the first page of Ruth 2 that I did. I'm using this paper with the plants on it because this is about harvesting barley. I know it doesn't look like barley, but I mean, it kind of goes along, right? And I went with a green theme because of harvesting and plants and whatnot. And I added the bird and some feathers because of how Boaz is praying that she be taken under the wings, and he takes her under his wing of protection. This is the last page of scripture writing for Ruth 2. I didn't decorate the page as much as the others because I knew it wasn't going to take up very much of the page because I was at the end of the scripture writing for Ruth 2 here. To separate my scripture writing from my study notes, I put down a border sticker, and then I just started copying my Bible study notes. I had already done a pretty good Bible study, and I was happy with what I had learned in my notes, so I am just copying them all down after each section of Ruth. So Ruth 1, I did this, and now I'm doing Ruth 2. And I am putting down my study notes. I have mentioned before that I am doing this kind of in a junk journal theme, so I wanted to add a little pocket and a tag. I cut the face of this card off and used double-sided tape to stick it to the page and then lined it in washi tape. And I used some of the pretty glitter paper that I got at the Dollar Tree to make my tag. And I added a tassel. I just used my hole punch and then filled the back of the tag with stickers. Made sure it fit. I did have to cut this and adjust it quite a bit because it didn't fit. But it's really cute and I'm happy about the way it turned out. Here is a quick view of the finished product of Ruth 2. I did this in a green theme with the plant tissue paper, added some birds and some feathers. It turned out really cute, but the most important thing is that I am writing the scripture and I am taking it in, studying it, writing it so that I can absorb it and just, experience the word in a different way than if you're just reading it. I'm really enjoying this process, and I really hope that all of you are trying your hand at some scripture writing. It doesn't have to be pretty. Just write it down in a regular notebook. Just make sure that you're writing scripture, studying, absorbing, living through the word.
Thank you guys so much for joining me in this process. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. I appreciate every single one of you that are here, and I look forward to talking to you guys and sharing with you guys every time that I upload a video. I really do enjoy getting to know all of you. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.